Hello and welcome to my channel. First things first, please like and subscribe. Anyway, so today, you can see I have one eye done. It's a cut crease. It's not too dramatic, but yeah. So let's jump into it. So first you want to prime your eye. I already did that. I used my Too Faced primer. So I'm going to set that to the side. And now, today the palettes, I'm using the Naked 2 by Urban Decay. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, I'm only using one color from the Jaclyn Hill original palette. The rest are coming from the Naked 2. And I tried to keep it simple and not use too many colors. Yeah, so I primed. Now I'm going to... And you kind of want to make sure you have certain brushes for this. You don't want to use a big, huge brush because you're only worried about getting really eyeshadow up here in your crease. Not so much on your whole eyelid because the concealer is going to go on the eyelid. So, first I'm using the Morphe M441. It's shaped like that. And the first color I take is Chopper from my Naked 2 palette. And you just want to go in the crease. And you want to build it up. When you think you have a good enough color and blendage on there, you move on to the next. And you kind of want to blow it out. So you want to make sure you're getting out here. But that's a pretty good crease and it's kind of shimmery. Okay. The next color I used, let me remember. It was Snakebite. And Snakebite is a little bit darker. It's like a dark shimmery brown. The Naked Decay has a lot of shimmer colors, which I really like. Makes the eye pop. So I usually go for that more than I do matte colors. So we're going to take on the same brush, just build it up in the crease. Here a little bit, and you just want to blend. Don't want it to look too harsh. I'm knocking crap over. Not enough room up here. So that looks pretty good. My hair is getting in my way. Okay. The Chopper and the Snakebite, and put it on your lower lash line and connect it. So yeah, we're gonna take the Chopper first, go down here. Let me move my mirror up so I can see. And you just wanna, woo! And my mirror just broke and I just bought this thing. And it's the, I don't know. The thing broke, you plug it in, it makes it brighter. It broke. I just got it. I just bought it a couple weeks ago. So, and when you just have battery in it, it barely lights up. So now I can't even use it. Well, I can use it, but it ain't, you know, I like the lights on it and no. Okay. This one kind of looks more purplish, but that's because, you know, I do need my other color. On this tinier brush, this is the Jaclyn Hill JH40. I forgot. I use the shade out of here. I'll pop it up on the screen real quick. But it's like a reddish matte color. And I'm using this to kind of darken. So you really want a tiny brush and push it in the crease. Just to darken everything up a little bit. want to go back in with the brush you used before, so the JH, was it the JH36? I think it was. And just blend. And you can take a little, I like to take a little more of the chopper. It's just a pretty color. And blend. I usually like to do, this is a big fluffy brush. M504. And I just like to make sure my edges are really blended. Blended really good. Okay. Now, concealer, cut crease. Moving on. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape and Light. But, okay, for a cut crease, what you want to do, this is a little tip and trick, y'all. You want to pat down here on the eyelid with a tiny flat brush. This is a JH42. And you want to pat down here, get some good, and then look up. Look up. You keep looking up. See how, did your indent? That's where your cut crease is going to go. That's how high you're gonna go. That's your stencil. Whatever you want to call it, it's your stencil. So, you can keep looking up as many times as you want and it will kind of draw your line. You just gotta straighten it up. Straighten it up a little bit, honey. You don't want to go out looking like this. Fill it all in. I'll be back, y'all. Someone here. Ow. I know y'all heard that. That was my elbow hitting the table. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just getting back. Let me get comfortable. Okay, back to my cut crease. Cut crease. Okay, let me open this back up. I closed it. Got it open. Dab, dab, dab. Some concealer. Kind of dried, but it's not looking too bad. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix the rest. We're gonna do the outer corner. My hair's all in my eye. Okay. You wanna make sure I can see and you all can see. You want to go down and okay, so this side you can't really tell because I kind of flipped it out and did it kind of neat, but then I kind of faded it in because I didn't like it too dramatic. So that's up to you and what you prefer. So I'll just show you how I did this side and then blended it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to turn. So I kind of just stenciled it this way. And then you want to go all the way down to the bottom and connect that to that. And then you just want to fill it in. And the line up here, it doesn't have to be too perfect. You're going to kind of go in and, you know, fix it. So I'm done with the concealer. Now that looks, you'll see. You'll see, honey. Okay, let me close that up before I spill it. I already spilled it on some of my brushes. Okay, back into the Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. So what you want to do is, I like my Equal Tools flat brush. What you want to do is go to an Urban Decay palette. And for my other eye, I used Booty Call and Foxy. But first I did Booty Call. And at first, well, you just want to pat on the concealer. Anywhere you put the concealer, you want to put the Booty Call. So Y'all, I did this eye because I thought I'd be better at this eye, and honestly, that I don't think is true. I think I was better at that eye, and now I'm like, oh my gosh. So don't hate if it don't look as good, but anyway. And then I take Foxy, and then I kind of take Foxy and Booty Call, and I kind of just pat it. I don't want it too bright. The thing is, my concealer that I use is super light, so it really pops out. Okay, so I got all that. But now, with my wand brush that I used earlier, the JH36, I'm not going to put any product on it. I'm just going to go in the crease and blend real quick. Blend it out. But, also, I took my tiny brush, JH40, and I'm trying to think. I think I went back in with Chopper and Snakebite, and kind of don't dive into your crease. Don't go past the crease you did, just above it. Kind of stick it in there. That's why you want a tiny brush, or you're just gonna mess up everything you just did. So I kind of want to darken it. This eye is kind of still a little bit darker. But yeah, see that's kind of lightening up now. They're kind of looking, they're looking good. And then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette real quick, get that reddish color. Just go in here. Looks pretty good. This is still kind of dramatic. I kind of just, woo. And then kind of what I was doing, take this big fluffy brush and go into the Jaclyn Hill, take the first two shades. Now it's kind of, I always do this no matter what I do. I just like to really get in here, blend, and make sure everything is just blended out nicely. Why'd I just do that? I don't know. Ignore that. So now what I did, I curled my lashes, put my mascara on. I'm gonna do that real quick. The lash on. Looks pretty good for now. I'm gonna fix it because I'm gonna take my Stilla eyeliner in black, and I'm going to do what I did on that eye. I'm not doing a dramatic wing really. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going just above my eyelash, my false lashes I just put on. So here we go. What I do, I pull this and I just take it out here a little bit. Just a teeny bit. And then I kind of filled in under here, because since I have eyeliner on, you can kind of see everything. You can definitely, put mascara on the bottom lashes, or not. I did that. You can put oh my gosh, gel liner, or whatever liner you used on the bottom. But, okay y'all, so that completes today's look. It's a cut crease. Not too many colors, not too hard to kind of blend out. Kind of just working on the crease in the bottom lash line, and getting that concealer in there. Yeah, the Tarte Shape Tape, the only thing I will say, that's very thick and kind of hard to cut out the lines, but it worked. I did a good job. This is the look. I need to go finish my face. All I have is foundation, and I put some of my Clinique powder on. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. Bye everyone.